आता एअर पॅसेंजरांचो मोबायलाच्या फ्लायट मोडाक बाय बाय। दूरसंचार नियामक अधिकाऱ्यांनी टेलिकॉम आयोगान विमानांनी प्रवाशांक मोबायल वापरूंक वावटो दाखयला। केंद्रीय हवाई येरादारी मंत्री सुरेश प्रभून दिला ते माहिती प्रमाण विमानाच्या पॅसेंजरांक आता विमानांतल्यान मोबायल डाटा आणि वायफाय सर्व्हिस वापरूंक मेळटली। प्रायोगिक तत्वाचेर ही मान्यताय दिल्या।
Telephone regulatory authority has allowed the use of mobile phones for both data and voice in the Indian airspace for domestic as well as international flights, and they will be notifying the final draft and everything else within the next 3 months' time. Providing better passenger amenities has been the endeavor of Narendra Modi government. Constantly we keep upgrading the services, and therefore this will be going a long way in making sure that people use their time, flying time, more productively, more efficiently, and therefore this will also help in so many hours not being wasted, but will be fruitfully and gainfully used.
मंत्री पांडुरंग मडकयकाराचे ओल्ड गोवाचे वादग्रस्त बंगल्याचे कथित बेकायदेशीर कंपाऊंड वॉलाविशीं योग्य ॲक्शन घेवची म्हणून राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हान मुख्य सचिवाक सांगला। मडकयकाराचे निकिता शाह रियल्टर्सान कंपाऊंड वॉल बेकायदेशीर बांधल्या म्हणून एक्टिविस्ट आयरिशान कागाळ केल्ली। ओल्ड गोवाचे बिसिलिका सावन 300 मिटरा भितर कसलेच बांदकाम आसूंक जायना। मडकयकाराच्या बंगल्याची कंपाऊंड वॉल खंय 50 मिटरा भितर।
In fact, the complaint that I had made to the Archaeological Survey of India, a copy of the complaint was sent to Goa Governor and to the Prime Minister. Now the Goa Governor Mridul Sinha has directed the Chief Secretary of Goa, Dharmendra Sharma, to take appropriate action against the illegal bungalow built at Old Goa by Goa's Power Minister, Mr. Pandurang Madkaikar. As we all know, the whole bungalow built by him is in total violation of law, because the law does not permit any construction within 300 meters of a protected monument, and the bungalow built by Pandurang Madkaikar is just 50 meters away from the Basilica of Bom Jesus, which is a protected monument. Those in power need to lead by example, and it is very high-handed for Pandurang Madkaikar to have misused his power as power minister and done such a blatant construction in violation of law. In fact, I have approached the authorities, and I am sure the authorities will take action to ensure that this illegal structure is immediately demolished.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक।